To set up Zelle on your iPhone or Android device, start by opening your mobile banking app or the Zelle app. If your bank or credit union offers Zelle, you can access it directly through their mobile app. If not, you can download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app open, tap on Get Started and select your bank or credit union from the list of participating financial institutions. If you do not see your bank, you can search for it or visit the Zelle website to see if it is a participating partner. After selecting your bank, you will be prompted to verify your account. This may involve logging in to your online banking account or receiving a verification code via email or text message. Enter the verification code to confirm your identity and link your bank account to Zelle. Next, you will need to accept the terms of service and create a profile. This will include providing your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Make sure to use an email address and phone number that you have access to, as these will be used to send and receive money. To send money using Zelle, simply tap on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also select a contact from your phone book. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. To receive money, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited directly into your bank account. If you have not already enrolled with Zelle, you will need to do so to receive the payment. It is essential to note that Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service, and you should only send money to people you know and trust. Be cautious when sending money to avoid scams and phishing attempts. Always verify the recipient's information before sending a payment, and never send money to someone you do not know. By following these steps, you can easily set up Zelle on your iPhone or Android device and start sending and receiving money quickly and securely. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and only send money to people you know and trust.